Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're stepping into the warm and cozy world of country style home decorating. A style that's all about comfort, simplicity, and natural beauty. Whether you are decorating a small corner or your entire home, these tips will help you bring that charming, rustic vibe into your space. So grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's get started. Bring in wood wherever you can. A simple wooden table, open shelves, or even a small wooden trays instantly add rustic charm. If new wood looks too shiny, go for a slightly distressed or matte finish. Layer your space with cozy textiles. Use cotton or linen curtains, soft cushions, and straws. Add floral and simple patterns, but don't overdo it. A floral cushion, checkered tablecloth, or a striped curtain is enough to create that countryside vibe without making the space feel crowded. Use vintage or antique style pieces, old chairs, ceramic vases, oven baskets, or even repurposed items like a jug as a flower vase. Add character. It's okay if things don't match perfectly. That's part of the charm. Decorate with nature-inspired elements. Fresh flowers, dried plants, or small indoor plants instantly make the space feel alive and peaceful. Keep lighting warm and soft. Use warm bulbs, lamps with fabric shades, or even fairy lights to create a relaxed evening atmosphere. Don't try to make everything look perfect. Country style is about a lived-in, comfortable feel, not a showroom. A slightly messy blanket or handmade item on display actually makes your home feel more real and inviting. One of the easiest upgrades is to mix old and new pieces. Don't buy everything matching from one place. Pair a simple modern sofa with a vintage style wooden table or an old looking cabinet. That contrast creates a natural, collected over time feel. Try adding open storage instead of hiding everything. Wooden shelves with neatly arranged dishes, chairs, or crochet items give that authentic farmhouse charm. It should look useful, not just decorative. Use layers in your decor, not just one item per space. For example, place a table runner, then a tray, then a vase with flowers. This layering makes your home feel fuller and more lived in. Bring in soft scents to match the visual coziness. Candles or natural smells like vanilla, lavender, or fresh linen can make your home feel even more welcoming. Country style is about the sense, not just looks. Choose slightly imperfect finishes, handcrafted or uneven items like handmade pottery or crochet. Add warmth. Perfect, shiny items can make the space feel too modern. Add wall character without clutter. Instead of filling walls randomly, use a few meaningful features like framed fabric, vintage style art, or even hanging baskets. Use functional decor. In country style, items should often have a purpose, like a basket that stores blankets or a pretty jar that holds kitchen tools. Create a cozy corner, a chair, a soft cushion, a small table, and maybe a crochet drawer can become a relaxing reading or tea spot. This really captures the country lifestyle feel. Keep rotating small items seasonally. In summer, use lighter fabrics and fresh flowers. In cooler months, switch to thicker textures and warmer tones. This keeps your home feeling fresh without decorating everything. Focus on one focal point per room. It could be a wooden dining table, a cozy bed, or a decorated shelf. Let that area stand out and keep the rest more subtle so the room doesn't feel crowded. Use edged or muted finishes instead of bright, shiny ones. Even if something is new, choose pieces that look slightly faded, matte, or weathered. It instantly creates that countryside charm. Incorporate glass elements like jars, bottles, or lanterns. They reflect light softly and pair beautifully with wood and fabric, adding a gentle, airy touch. Keep your color palette consistent. Stick to two or three main colors and repeat them through cushions, curtains, and small decor items. This keeps everything looking calm and connected. Pay attention to the floor too. A simple oven rug, a soft, neutral mat can tie the whole room together and make it feel warmer. Keep some empty space. Not every corner needs decoration. Empty space helps highlight your favorite pieces and keeps the home feeling peaceful. Think of your home as a story, not a showroom. Each item should feel like it belongs, something useful, meaningful, or handmade. Add subtle contrast in textures. Mix soft, rough, and smooth. This makes the space feel rich without needing bold colors. Decorate with useful kitchen style elements, even outside the kitchen. Things like animal mugs, small pictures, or chairs can work as decor in living rooms or bedrooms. Keep your furniture slightly spaced out. Don't push everything against the walls. Pulling a chair or table slightly inward makes the room feel more cozy and intentional. Add a personal handmade signature. This is where you can stand out. Edit your space regularly. Every few weeks, remove one or two items. If the room looks better without them, keep them out. Country style shines when it's cozy, but still breathable. Start paying attention to how your home feels at different times of day. Country style should feel soft in the morning and extra cozy at night. Create a sense of quiet simplicity. If a surface feels too busy, remove a few items and leave just one, two, or three meaningful pages. Use repetition of materials instead of repeating exact items. Think about sound and softness. Rugs, curtains, cushions, or crochet items help absorb noise, making your home feel quieter and more peaceful. Keep it soft, not sharp. Choose rounded shapes, oval tables, curved baskets, soft cushions. Over too many sharp lines. It makes the space feel more relaxed and inviting. Let your storage be part of the decor. Instead of hiding everything, use beautiful storage. Open baskets, wooden boxes, or chairs that look nice while being useful. Use faded or sun-washed colors instead of strong ones. Even if you add color, keep it slightly muted so it blends gently with the rest of the room. Make a space for daily life moments. A tea corner, a crochet basket beside a chair, or a small table setup makes your home feel lived in and personal. Thanks for watching the video.